Welcome back to lesson 6 of our advertisement unit, and it's t-shirt time. Today's t-shirt brought to you by me. I made it myself. Yay! I made my own little monogram logo for our school, Kansas City International Academy, by using the initials KCIA, not to be confused with the Kansas City International Airport. School, not an airport. Two different things. So let's go into a review. Our 6 main advertisement techniques we are learning about and reviewing each day are humor, shock, emotion, demonstrate, comparative, and celebrity endorsement, which are a lot. And you can use it into pretty much all aspects of our advertising. Today we're going to specifically talk about slogans. What is a slogan? I'm going to tell you. The definition of a slogan is a short and memorable phrase used in advertising. So everything we're talking about. For Apple, their slogan is to think different. Nike slogan, just do it. KFC slogan is it's finger licking good. Please don't lick your fingers right now in public because there is a pandemic and that's gross. McDonald's is I'm loving it. Dunkin' Donuts, America runs on Dunkin'. L'Oreal is because you're worth it. And Coca-Cola, open happiness. You might notice with all those slogans, each one is very short and not even a sentence long. Some of them are 2 to 3 words. That is the purpose of a slogan. Short, sweet, to the point. Here are 5 tips on how to write a good slogan, which is what you will be doing today for your activity. So the first thing you want to do is you want to highlight the key benefit or what the best part of your product is. Like, does it make you laugh? Is it something that's supposed to keep you healthy? Is it something to make you happy? Think about what you want the product to do. What is the purpose of your product? And the next part, explain your company's purpose. Why are you making this company? Is it to bring happiness to people? Is it to inform people? Is it to make people feel better? The next one is to keep it short. Nobody likes a slogan that's like 4 paragraphs long. That's not even a slogan, that's a paper. So you want it to be a sentence or even less, which is fine. And honestly, doesn't always have to be grammatically correct either. That's the fun part. You also need to think about giving it a rhyme or rhythm, something that has a beat to it. It's easier to remember that way. And then the last one, stay honest. Don't lie about your product or make things up. Don't be like, it's the absolute best. Well, if you can't prove that, then you're lying. And that's false advertisement, and that is bad. So, when you're thinking about a slogan, think about what you're selling. What is the purpose of your company? What are you selling? Are you selling toys, makeup, technology, food, school supplies? Are you selling clothing? Are you selling different cleaners? Think about what your company sells. Think about what your product is, and then one sentence or less. Think of a slogan. Maybe it rhymes, maybe it doesn't. Here's my example. My product is Giggle Go-Go's. These are supposed to be balls that glow and make different noises like burping, farting, baby giggles, and balloon squeals. And they are also remote controlled where you can move them around, they jump, spin, bounce, all of the above. And the slogan that I have made for them is get lots of giggles with joys and toys. Because the purpose of my company, Joys and Toys, totally made up by the way, is to bring happiness and laughter to children, to make them smile, to get them, to start imagining things, using their imagination and play and everything that's the best thing about our childhoods. Just fun. My whole purpose is fun. So obviously people like to laugh and they like toys that are exciting, make them happy. And I also, if you notice, included my company's name. That is a great way to get your name out there as a company, is to include it into your slogan if you can. Get lots of giggles with joys and toys. Or I could say get lots of giggles, just like that. And I could add it into, if I make a commercial, which, spoiler alert, you are going to make a commercial. I could just add that in there at the very end, and it people start to remember those things. So your job now is to think of a slogan for your own product and company. Have fun with it, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Have fun. There's no grammar rules. Doesn't have to even be a sentence. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.